Well, Bengaluru is going for polls. This is the first stage of elections. 14 seats are up for grabs. People have come here very early in the morning to vote, to exercise their franchise. That's the kind of importance that the people of Bengaluru Central are showing us. If I can just ask my camera person, Shagun, to pan and show the number of people across all age groups who have gathered here, people who are 80 plus, 70 plus, and people who are as young as 20-year-olds who are going to be exercising their franchise for the first time have gathered here early in the morning. A very, very, very telling tale. If I can just take you, I also have with me actor Prakash Raj. Sir, you're here early in the morning to exercise your franchise. Are you enjoying your dance of democracy?
Yes, I'm in my school, the school I studied in.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's my classrooms, yeah.
So what are the issues that you're going to be voting for? Because on your Twitter, you're very active about democracy and how important it is to exercise your franchise and to save democracy. What are your issues, sir?
Your question has the answer in it. Yes, it's to save democracy, it's for harmony, it's for the future.
And why? So why is it precisely, do you think, our democracy is at stake? Why is it that you have
I
this
think
opinion?
you should talk to me after the voting because there are a lot of people I don't want to influence by talking.
So one final question. Would you want to, encourage more voters to come and vote early in the morning? Because you've showed up, you are one of the first ones to come and vote.
It's very important to vote, especially to the young voters. I request them because you will know the joy and the liberation you get and the power you get when you exercise your vote. Because your representative should be chosen by you, because he's going to represent you, he's going to talk your voice will be heard with that. So please come out and vote. This is one important day in your life.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. So that was actor Prakash Raj, a veteran actor at that. He says that the reason why he's going to be casting his vote is for democracy. Because, when it comes to Bengaluru, it's the urban voter apathy that has always grappled the state. Despite the fact that Bengaluru is always populated with the urban, the employed, the educated, the voter turnout, however, has been abysmally low. And that's the visual on your screen that you're seeing, people turning up promptly early in the morning to cast and exercise their franchise. And if this doesn't motivate you enough to come and vote early in the morning, I don't know what will. With camera person Shagun and Agakeshiv reporting for India Today from Bangalore.